Hello everyone, welcome to the course on Learn MySQL with Examples. In this course, we will discuss about MySQL database and configuring MySQL server, what is SQL commands and constraints with syntax, MySQL joins, views and triggers in SQL server, MySQL operators, functions and stored procedures, learn how to import and export data, table locking in MySQL, host a MySQL database on GCP platform, and performing actions to the DB in Cloud SQL. Let me quickly jump through the course description. MySQL is an open source relational database management system that uses structured query language for managing and manipulating the databases. This course offers a comprehensive introduction to MySQL databases, starting with the fundamentals of MySQL database setup, configuration of MySQL server, and use of MySQL Workbench. It covers essential SQL commands, clause, and constraints, providing syntax and practical applications to ensure data integrity. The course delves into advanced topics such as MySQL joins, views, and triggers within SQL Server and explores the use of MySQL operators, functions, and stored procedures. Additionally, the students will be able to learn how to import and export the data, manage table locking, and host a MySQL database on Google Cloud SQL. By end of this course, the participants will have a robust understanding of MySQL and the skills to perform various database operations both locally and in the cloud. Now, let's see the target audience of this course. That is, database administrator, software or application developers, web developers, and data analyst. Now, let's discuss about what are the prerequisites to be taken up to take this course. Basic computer literacy and access to a computer, understanding of database concepts, basic SQL knowledge, and basic programming skills. Let's go through the lessons of this course. Lesson 1, Introduction to MySQL Database. Lesson 2, SQL Commands and Constraints. Lesson 3, MySQL Joins, Views and Triggers. Lesson 4, MySQL Operators, Functions and Stored Procedures. Lesson 5, Importing and Exporting Data, Logs and Transactions in MySQL. And finally, Lesson 6, Google Cloud SQL for MySQL Managed Database. So these are the practice lessons of this course. Practice 1-1, install and configure MySQL Server and run MySQL Workbench. Practice 2-1, creating database or schema and tables in MySQL Workbench. Practice 2-2, perform SQL commands DML, DCL, DQL and TCL. Practice 2-3, performing MySQL constraints and keys on the table. Practice 2-4, performing MySQL clause and indexes with example. Practice 3-1, performing different types of joins in MySQL. Practice 3-2, create and display views and create views using joins. Practice 3-3, performing different types of trigger statements in MySQL. Practice 4-1, perform different types of operations in MySQL. Practice 4-2, perform different types of built-in functions in MySQL. Practice 4-3, perform user-defined functions and stored procedures in MySQL. Practice 5-1, importing and exporting data in MySQL. Practice 5-2, performing table locking and unlocking in MySQL. And finally, practice 6-1, hosting a MySQL database on Google Cloud and performing actions to the DB in Cloud SQL. To summarize, in this video we have discussed about detailed course objectives, course description based on the objectives, course target audience, prerequisites for taking up this course, lessons of the course scheduled, practices in this course to do the activities. Thank you.